Hey guys, welcome to Beardchanics garage. In today's video we are going to install some wind reflector on the Mini Cooper behind me. First we'll check out what's in the box, then I'll show you how to prep the surface, then we'll install it and then we will see what it looks like. Anyway, let's see what's in the box. Alright, so here is the box. So important, it's one that stick on, not one that squeeze in. So for example, if you see here on my S3, it's actually slide into the slot, so those actually stick to it. It's actually a decent kit, everything is labeled, rear right, quarter right. That kit is weird, you actually have a little bit that install on the rear quarter, which I'm not 100% sure about, but we'll see later in the video. I'll still install it and then we'll see. Worst case, we remove it. It comes with a nicely layout kit. It is not installation specific to your car though, but they do provide a couple of degreaser wipe so that you can clean each side, and then little alcohol as well. So basically they provide everything we need to make sure the surface we are going to stick those parts on is nice and clean. So the surface you're going to want to be cleaning is essentially this strip here all around the window frame, and then the quarter piece, which I said was weird, they actually come here. So make sure your car is clean, don't use detergent or anything, just wash it with water first, let it dry nicely, and then we can crack on with the swipes. Alright, so you can see degreaser wipes. It's actually quite a thin area, so you can use your fingers. It's only on the flat surface that it will actually stick on, not into the little recess there. There you go. While we wait, we can see here I've got one dog here, two dog here, three dog here, and even the cat has been joining us. Now essentially we do the same with those little alcohol swab. The front piece, it goes like this here, and basically look here, you've got a little recess here, and that basically goes over the little recess here, and then at the front, look, we've got the cat there. And then at the front you've got another little recess which essentially go over the little pump from that little triangular piece here at the front. What you want to do as well is here at the back, you want to align it nicely so it kind of flush with the pillar. Alright, let's go for it. Okay, so now moment of truth. Line it up nicely without actually making it touch quite yet. We go there. Alright, and then you just stretch it out a bit on each side. A bit of pressure here and there. Alright, well, let's see from closer. You can see here, nice and flush. Good here, and good one here. So here you go. Alright, second piece on. Not bad. Alright, so that's what it looks like with all the parts on. And here we go, both sides done. At least this side you might not get my reflection all the time. But yeah, I think it looks quite nice. Inside the car you can see, we can see it on the edge. And here from our side we get a nice little strip. And that's it guys, very easy install, good kit. You know, I really like the fact that they provide everything you need to clear up the surface. So literally you buy the kit, you can do the job. If you do it, let me know how it went in the comment. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Bye!